All are welcome to return to Shibkai. A Shiba Inu worth $4 million was bought by Binance's CEO. According to today's SHIB News, the official Twitter handle of the Shiba Inu team announced that the initial plan to launch Rio Plaza as a new hub was unsuccessful. The response, however, was phenomenal after they introduced the Wagmi Temple Center to consumers in a unique way. This video will go over the details of the Binance CEO's $2 million Shiba Inu purchase, SHIB updates for today. If you want to see more videos like this one on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give the video a big thumbs up. The video needs to begin immediately. In lieu of Rio Plaza, the SHIB crew utilized Unreal Engine 5.1 to create the Wagmi Temple Center. Images of the Wagmi Temple Hub, which was included in concept art from earlier this year, were attached to the message. Your presence at the holiday fireplace is greatly appreciated. The responses that have been coming in are really mind-blowing. Despite our inability to showcase Rio Plaza, we were determined to go back to Wagmi Temple and deliver a first look at the hub within the world. The SHIB organization wished everyone a happy holiday season. In the Christmas edition of the online fireside discussion, the SHIB team commended the community for their active participation. Video games made with Epic Games' Unreal Engine 5.1, a 3D computer graphics gaming engine, feature more lifelike and realistic virtual environments. A giveaway was announced earlier this week by the SHIB Metaverse Twitter account in honor of the event. One lucky individual would get a digital plot of land in the metaverse. One of the 4 plots of land in the metaverse is Silver Fir. Below is a breakdown of the 4 levels, which together make up 24,384 virtual land plots. Out of a total of 17,030 land plots, 5,714 are in the second tier and 7,156 are in the third. Among the fir tiers, Silver Fir has the greatest land. However, the most popular main coin has hit a new user milestone thanks to the increasing number of Shiba Inu owners. A large increase in the number of token holders has been observed within the last 2 days. The number of people using SHIB has increased dramatically by over 2,000 in the last 2 days, according to data from wallet tracking firm Wellstats. With an additional 800 users just 1 day later, the total number of users reached 1,256,165 on December 6th. Despite the crypto cold that began in February of this year, an incredible 250,000 new SHIB members joined. Wellstats tweeted that the largest Ethereum whales added just over $2 million worth of Shiba Inu to their wallets yesterday. The 500 largest Ethereum holders currently own $73,867,853 worth of Shiba Inu meme coins, as reported in a recent tweet by the Wellstats wallet manager. This is an increase of $2 million from their holdings on Friday. This sum is equivalent to 216 billion Shiba Inus at the current SHIB exchange rate. According to Wellstats, whales' average SHIB balances have risen by 1.43% during the past day. In total, the top 500 Ethereum whales have the following holdings: $73,867,853 in SHIB, $48,320,415 in UNI, $7,978,346 in an unnamed token, $36,674,990 in Locust, $36,233 in BIT, $35,045,448,552 in BEST, $33,500,000 in BISA with 90 during that raise volume of SHIB. It reached a high of $26,565,765 on December 9th. Even if SHIB is still around, the community has been slow to start setting fires again. The SHIB burn rate dropped by 60% in the past day. The huge amount of over 5 trillion SHIB was transferred by whales on Friday. 2 deals involving about 2.8 trillion Shiba Inu coins were revealed by the cryptocurrency watchdog Whale Alert. This amount of primary coins is comparable to almost $52 million in cash. The reorganization of stock on cryptocurrency exchanges, however, makes such massive token transfers possible. The wallets associated with those transfers were marked as unidentified by Whale Alert. Therefore, it's probable that whales may issue SHIB once again. The price of the FTX token dropped 3% in the 24 hours following Binance's announcement that it will be liquidating its FTX token holdings. Binance took this action after a report surfaced suggesting that 40% of the assets of FTX-affiliated trading firm Alameda Research consist of utility tokens for exchanges. The news has been the primary factor in the 12% weekly decrease in FTT and the 73% decline From the coin's September 2018 peak price of $84.105, as doubts about FTX's asset liquidity grow, FTTT might incur more losses in the days and weeks ahead. The news that Binance will be selling its token holdings has abruptly exacerbated the situation, but it did help to stabilize the price of FTTT to some extent. Although the true value is likely higher, it possesses more than $500 million worth of FTT. In addition to the severe selling pressure that Binance's action will put on FTTT, it sends the negative message that Binance is very worried about the financial soundness of FTX and Alameda. A further tweet by Binance's CZ seems to draw parallels between FTT and FTX and Terra, whose value plummeted in May of this year. Thus, FTT's prospects don't appear good moving forward. Its value dropped 12% in the past week and 63% in the past year, and it's currently trending downhill. Now we will go back to Shiba Inu. Things can yet turn around even though Dogecoin's price has been increasing at a quicker rate than Shiba Inu's. Given the present market conditions, SHIB has a good chance of dominating and rising, whereas Doge may focus on more modest objectives. In the fall, Dogecoin's price had a remarkable upward recovery, recouping 180% of its lost market value for investors. Contrarily, SHIB's price has remained silent. The November auction results were a 25% drop for SHIB investors. Despite Doge's undeniable superiority as an asset, the two notoriously cruel currencies may trade places on December 7th based on a comparison of technical analysis tools. Shiba Inu prices may outstrip those of rival brands in the coming weeks. Investors can use TradingView.com to determine which asset will perform better by using a simple division equation between the two assets. Here, when looking at the price of Dogecoin divided by Shiba Inu, it is evident that Dogecoin has done better since August 2022. Compared to SHIB, Doge has done 172% better. Investors can also check the formula's efficacy by looking at each component independently. In comparison to SHIB's 50% growth, Doge's price has jumped 163% since August. According to Elliott wave theory, the Doge/SHIB chart clearly shows a 5-wave impulse. The technical indicators also bounce back from the 38.2% fib level on November 10th, and on the November swing high and August swing low can be used to find the Fibonacci retracement level. The depicted rally was formed by Doge's 52% recovery rally between November 14th and November 14th and November 13th. The market value of SHIB plummeted by 177% during the same time frame. When the Doge-SHIB chart crests, the inverse of a Shiba Inu rally could happen: a decline toward the lower targets, a 40% increase in the price of a Shiba Inu would be expected after a fall into the golden pocket 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. To rephrase, keep in mind that the Doge/ could potentially display the aforementioned scenario as well. Given the interconnected nature of the two assets in Bitcoin, the first scenario has greater merit. There is some evidence that SHIB might soon surpass Dogecoin's price according to the Relative Strength Index RSI, which reveals a divergence on the daily chart between waves 3 and 5. The divergence signal may trigger the retreat that investors are hoping will bring about the rotational power shift. That's all for now. For access to our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up.